Tonight, we're looking at what could very well be the next big thing in personal technology, Apple's long-rumored smart glasses. Now, Meta is the current leader in this space, but Apple is preparing a challenge built on its core strengths: iconic design, seamless ecosystem integration, and a massive new push into artificial intelligence.
So let's start with a central question driving all of this. What if the glasses you wear every day were just as intelligent as the iPhone in your pocket? We're not talking about full-blown augmented reality, not yet. Think of it more as a device that seamlessly enhances your daily life, connecting what you see with the powerful AI you already own.
So, here is the bottom line, right up front. Apple isn't just building another gadget. It's creating an iPhone accessory that's designed from the ground up to be iconic. The strategy rests on three key pillars: a premium, almost luxurious design, deep integration with your iPhone, and an AI that offers practical, real-world intelligence. This is their plan to redefine the market.
And Apple's strategy starts, as it so often does, with design. They know that for a device you wear on your face, it has to be more than just functional. It needs to be fashionable, comfortable, and personal. This is their first and perhaps most important point of difference.
This isn't a one-size-fits-all product. Far from it. Apple is reportedly testing at least 4 different frame styles. You've got a classic Wayfarer design, a slimmer rectangular look that you might call the Tim Cook style, and a couple of circular options. The thinking here is clear: borrow from the Apple Watch playbook and offer choices that fit different tastes and faces.
That premium feel extends to the materials themselves. Apple is said to be using acetate, which is common in high-end luxury eyewear. It's more durable and has a richer feel than the standard plastic you find in most smart glasses today. It's a clear signal that they're aiming for superior build quality.
And to go along with those different styles, you'll of course have colors. The ones we're hearing about so far are a classic black, a deep ocean blue, and a light brown, all part of that effort to make the device a personal style choice.
Now here's where we see a really key strategic decision. While Meta uses a standard circular camera, Apple is reportedly developing a unique, vertically oriented oval design. The reason for this is simple and frankly brilliant. They want to create an icon, a visual signature that you can spot from across the room and know instantly that it's an Apple product, just like they did with AirPods.
But a premium design is only half the story. The real innovation here, the true game changer, lies in the software. Apple is harnessing its latest advancements in AI to give these glasses a real-time, intelligent understanding of your surroundings.
The key technology that makes this possible is called computer vision. And simply put, it means the cameras in the glasses can do more than just record an image. They can actually understand what they're seeing, whether it's a landmark, a street sign, or a product on a shelf, and use that information to help you. So, how does it all work? Well, it's a constant 3-step process. First, the onboard cameras capture what you're seeing. Second, Apple's AI instantly analyzes that visual information. And third, a much smarter, context-aware Siri steps in to provide relevant information or assistance, based on what you're looking at. And this technology leads to some very practical, real-world uses. Imagine navigating a new city with directions appearing subtly in your vision, or capturing a family moment instantly without ever reaching for your phone. It's about making those daily tasks smoother, handling calls, getting visual reminders, and interacting with an AI that finally understands your context. But it's crucial to understand that these glasses are not being developed in a vacuum. They are a key piece of a much larger multi-device strategy that reveals Apple's ambitions for the future of all its wearable technology. What we're seeing is a vision for a future where personal AI is distributed across several devices that work together. The glasses are just one part of this puzzle, the part specifically designed to understand the world from your visual point of view. Insiders are calling this strategy the AI Trifecta. It starts with the smart glasses for visual input. Then picture future AirPods with their own cameras, offering audio-first AI assistance. And finally, a small wearable pendant for discreetly capturing environmental data all day long. Together, these 3 devices could create an incredibly powerful and comprehensive personal AI system.
So, the big question is, when can we expect this vision to become a reality? Well, the timeline is starting to solidify, but as is always the case with Apple, things can change.
Right now, the best information points to a possible product announcement in late 2026 or perhaps early 2027, with the glasses hitting the market later that year. This schedule gives Apple the time it needs to perfect not just the hardware, but also the sophisticated AI that will be the heart of the experience.
And all of this leads to a fascinating final thought. As these devices become a constant presence in our lives, capturing, analyzing, and remembering everything around us, they'll build a persistent and detailed understanding of our world. And that raises a profound question. What happens when our technology knows more about our own environment and remembers it better than we do?